What's going on, investors? Dest here from Investments, and for this video I want to make a real quick tutorial on how to add the Milkomeda network to your MetaMask wallet. And I have a follow-up video explaining Milkomeda and how to bridge funds over to here, but I just wanted to make a real quick one showing how to set it up in your MetaMask. So I have a tutorial here that I will put in the description below, but I'm going to also walk you through it very quickly. So you're going to open your MetaMask. You're going to click on the drop down at the top. You can see I already have Milkomeda already set up, but you're going to click Add Network. That's going to open this page. So let's do this so we can have both side by side. And for our network name, I'm going to copy and paste Milkomeda Cardano C1. Our RPC URL, chain ID over here is 2001, currency symbol is milk ADA, and I can copy and paste our block explorer, and then you're going to go ahead and hit save. I already have this set up, so I'm not going to. But then you will have Milkomeda Cardano C1 set up on your MetaMask network. That's all for this brief video. Stay tuned for the next one, showing more about Milkomeda as well as how to bridge funds over and use. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, the currency of YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Thank you. Till next time. Later.